your subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can fix your problem with your Instagram. So if you see, please wait a few minutes before you will try again. So how you can also fix it. So first thing, it's just temporary block from Instagram. So you need to wait some time until Instagram will unblock the section for you. And another situation, if you have just problems with your internet connection, so you can also check it by going to the settings and just find here Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use cellular data, just open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power on the phone again. So just simply restore your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.